Since February 9, 2023, our system ranks SPY as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -1.505. In this period, the stock has so far done better than what our systems expected and had a gain of 0.23%. This is an average return of 0.12% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for SPY, our last headline reads, SPY ETF price ended on $408.04 on Friday after gaining 0.233%. The SPY ETF price gained 0.233% on the last trading day, Friday, February 10, 2023, rising from $407.09 to $408.04. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 0.85% from a day low at $405.01 to a day high of $408.44. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a 0.58% gain for the last 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -8 million shares, and in total, 70 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $28.59 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $462.07, and the lowest price was $348.11. Right now the price is 11.69%, or $54.03, below 52-week high, and 14.99%, or $71.94, below all-time high January 4, 2022, where the price hit $479.98. The ETF lies in the middle of a weak rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 2.33% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -4.36% and 4.76%. The 12-month trend indicates a -10.51% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -26.74% and -8.85%. This equals a price between $298.91 and $371.92 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. The following signals have been found for SPY. The SPY ETF holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the ETF, giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the ETF will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $411.42. On a fall, the ETF will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $395.92. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The ETF should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 2, 2023, and so far it has fallen -2.10%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 7 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 18 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 20 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 26 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 21 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at $401.60, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. In general, the ETF tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity the risk is considered very low in this stock. During the last day, the ETF moved $3.43 between high and low, or 0.85%. For the last week the ETF has had daily average volatility of 1.42%. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, SPY meets first resistance at $410.80. If you do not hold SPY shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, SPY finds first level of support at $401.60, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. We hold a negative evaluation for this ETF, no stop loss set. Is SPY ETF a buy? The SPY ETF holds several negative signals, and despite the positive trend, we believe SPY will perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. Therefore, we hold a negative evaluation of this ETF. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Monday 13th, we expect SPY to open down -88 and start trading at $407.16. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? Remember